In this video, I'll be showing you how to turn off Samsung phone without the buttons on the side. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And I would recommend this, especially if your power button's not working, but you feel like you need to restart your phone. Maybe it's slowing down or anything like that. So what you want to do is once you're on this screen, swipe down on the top right. You're then going to see your control panel or your quick panel with a bunch of different settings. But on the top right again, next to the settings wheel icon, you're going to see that power button. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to get the options that you would see if you were to hold down your power button. So you see power off, restart, emergency call, and medical info. So all you literally have to do is click on the restart button, and then your phone's going to end up restarting. And then hopefully after that point, your actual power button works as well, because maybe it was just an internal bug. But then after that, you should be good to go, and there's nothing else to it. So you can do that however many times you want. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also check out all our other tutorials on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.